First of all, you need some links which you can include in menu. So right now we have only one page like home page, huh? So add new, and the page name is, for example, about, okay, or about company, okay. Then publish this page. Then another page like mission and publish. Right now I'm not using any content because the main purpose is how to make navigation or menu. Then add new, for example,
Adobe design.
designing, okay. Publish, and location,
Contact.
the last one is contact.
सर एक प्रोजेक्ट डिलीट नहीं हो सकता फायरवॉल से लोगे आफ्टर डिलीट द प्रोजेक्ट
हो
फ्रॉम
सकता है,
फायरवॉल
मैं बताता हूँ, हो सकता है। अच्छा, now you will go to appearance, menu, mouse, माउस का नाम है, sorry, menu name here will be like my main menu, okay. Create menu. Now you can see home, about, company, mission, designing, location, and contact. You can add to menu. Then for example, about is here, location is here, designing, mission, and home is on top, and contact is in the last. Then save menu. Now go to manage locations, and now there are different locations according to theme. In some themes we have one location, in some themes we have two locations. In this theme, like, we have header and top bar. So in header, main menu will appear. So header, you can see if you refresh, so this is header. See now, home, about, company, location, designing, mission, contact. If you want to edit menu, you can click edit menus. Okay, now if you want drop down, this is custom links. So custom link, like, you can write your website name, then let me show you, slash hashtag. Now about, this is a custom link which is actually not a link. Hashtag means like it's not a link, okay? So about company is the sub, and location is also the sub drop down menu. So if you refresh, you can see now about, and if you move mouse there, about, company, and location, okay. Now even for example, now you write two posts, for example,
Registration.
Emirates,
Registration.
but add new, Pakistan, publish.
कैसे करना है
Menus. Now if you want to include post, so you can click post, okay. I want to include this one, add to menu. So it will be, see, this is this drop down menu of location, see. Now save menu. So once you refresh, you can see home, about, then location, see. Okay. So this is a small and very easy method to add or include menu in your website. How to make a menu, if I'm not wrong. Okay. So thank you and bye.
अरे
Huh?